The little farm of Green Valley. In a peaceful place called Green Valley, there was a beautiful little farm surrounded by hills, rivers, and a wide open field. The farm was owned by a kind farmer named Miss Land. She lived there with her daughter Maya and her old dog Lucky. Every morning the sun rose slowly above the hill, painting the sky with soft colors of orange and pink. The farm would wake up with the sound of animals, birds, and gentle wind moving through the grass. The farm was not very big, but it was full of life. There were cows in the pastures, sheep near the hills, pigs in a clean pen, ducks and chickens near the pond, and a big rooster that loved to crow loudly every morning. There were also vegetable gardens full with carrot, lettuce, tomatoes and corn. Everything on the farm grew with love and care. Maya loved the farm very much. She was only 10 years old, but she helped her mother every day. She woke up early, brushed her hair, put on her boots, and ran outside with a happy smile. Lucky, the old dog, always followed her, wagging his tail and barking softly as if he was saying, "Good morning, Maya. Let's start the day." One morning, Maya walked to the chicken coop first. She opened a small wooden door and greeted the hens. "Good morning, hens. Did you sleep well?" she asked cheerfully. The hens clucked softly. Maya collected the eggs carefully and placed them in a basket. She counted them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 10 eggs today. "That's wonderful," she said proudly. After that, she went to the sheep field. The sheep were eating fresh green grass under the warm sunlight. "The sheep are eating grass," Maya said, remembering her English lesson at school. She laughed and added, "One sheep is eating grass and many sheep are eating grass." Lucky barked happily as he ran around the sheep, making sure they stayed together. The sheep trusted Lucky because he was gentle and kind. Next, Maya and her mother walked to the cow barn. The cows were calm and friendly. Miss Land patted one cow on the head. "Good girl, Daisy," she said softly. "Are you ready for milking?" Maya was careful and helped bring clean buckets. She learned that caring for cows needed patience and responsibility. The cows gave fresh milk every day, and that milk was used to make butter, cheese, and yogurt for the family and the village. After feeding the cows, they went to the pig den. The pigs were playful and funny. Some pigs rolled in the mud while others slept peacefully. Maya laughed loudly when one small piglet ran in circles. "Look, Mom, that piglet is so funny," she said. Miss Land smiled. Animals are happy when they are healthy and well cared for. A farm is not only about work, it is also about love and respect for every animal. In the afternoon, Maya watered the vegetable garden. She used a small watering can and walked slowly from plant to plant. She talked to the vegetables as if they were her friends. "Grow strong, little carrots. Stay fresh, sweet tomatoes. You will help people stay healthy, she whispered. The wind blew gently and the leaves danced softly. Butterflies flew over the flowers and bees worked hard collecting nectar. Maya learned that farms were part of nature. Plants, animals, soil, water and people were all connected. When one part was healthy, everything became better. One day, a big storm came to Green Valley. Dark clouds filled the sky and strong winds began to blow. The animals felt afraid. The chickens ran into the coop. The sheep moved closer together and the cows stood quietly in the barn. Maya felt worried. Mom, what should we do? She asked. Miss Lane stayed calm. We must protect the animals and stay strong, she replied. They checked every shelter, closed the gates, and made sure the animals were safe. Lucky barked loudly, helping the guide the ducks back to the pound house. The rain poured heavily, and thunder roared across the sky. Maya held her mother's hand tightly, but remembered that a farmer must be brave and responsible. She helped bring more hay for the animals and fill their water buckets. Even though she was tired, she did not stop working. After many hours, the storm slowly passed. The sky became clear again and a beautiful rainbow appeared above the farm. The animals were safe and the farm was still strong. Maya felt proud and relieved. Mom, she said, I understand now. Farming is not always easy, but it is very important. We care for animals, grow food, and help people live. Miss Land hugged her gently. Yes, my dear, a farm teaches us patience, kindness, and hard work. It also teaches us gratitude for nature. In the following weeks, the farm became even more beautiful. The corn grew tall, the tomatoes turned red, and the sheep wool became thick and soft. The ducks swam happily in the pond, and the rooster continued to sing every morning. One day, children from the village visited the farm for a learning trip. They were excited to see all the animals and plants. Maya became their guide. She showed them the cow barn, the sheep field, and the vegetable garden. She explained proudly, this is our farm. One cow gives milk, many cows give more milk. One chicken lays an egg, many chickens lay many eggs. Farm help people have food, jobs, and a healthy life. The children listened carefully and asked many questions. They fed the sheep, collected eggs, and planted small seeds in the soil. They learned that farming was not just about growing food, it was about caring for life and protecting the earth. At the end of the visit, one little boy said, I want to have a farm when I grow up. Maya smiled brightly. Then you must love animals, work hard, and respect nature, she replied. As the seasons changed, the farm showed different colors and moods. In spring, flowers bloomed everywhere. In summer, the fields were green and full of life. In autumn, golden leaves fell gently and the harvest season arrived. In winter, the farm rested quietly under the cold sky, but the animals were warm and safe inside their shelters. Every season taught Maya a new lesson. She learned about responsibility when feeding animals every day. She learned about patience, then waiting for the seeds to grow. She learned about kindness when caring for sick animals, and most importantly, she learned gratitude for the food, the land, and the life around her. One evening, Maya sat on a small hill and watched the sunset over Green Valley. Lucky lay beside her, and the sheep grazed quietly below. She thought about how farm helped people, animals, and nature live together in harmony. She whispered softly, "Thank you, farm, for teaching me so many beautiful lessons." The wind blew gently, as if the farm itself was answering her. The cows rested and the chickens slept, and the stars began to shine in the night sky. It was peaceful, calm, and full of hope. From that day on, Maya dreamed of becoming a great farmer like her mother. She wanted to build more farms that were kind to animals, healthy for people, and friendly to the earth. And so, in the quiet and lovely Green Valley, the little farm continued to grow, teaching and give life day after day, season after season, reminding everyone that farms are not just places where food is grown, but homes where kindness, hard work, and gratitude live forever. She believed that when people care for farm with love and responsibility, the world would become a better and happier place.